Hey guys, welcome back for another tutorial. In this tutorial, we'll be seeing the sketch driven pattern. So for that, first we need to create a solid body. We'll first create a simple rectangular one and extrude it. Now we'll sketch on this. So it's over here. You can find it in the linear pattern by clicking the drop down menu. So this is used to space the features as per the sketch. So now if say if I want let me sketch on this surface. So if I need it as a Z pattern, I'll just use it like this, and then over here. Now on this Z pattern, wherever I need the features to repeat, I create the dots. So I just create it like this and then exit the sketch. Now let's create the feature which we want to do. I'll just create a simple cylinder over here and extrude this. So we have the cylinder over here. Now let's activate the sketch driven pattern. So now we have to select the sketch. We'll go over here and select the sketch. So as you can see, wherever I drew the dots, the pattern has been repeated over there. And now I can press OK. It is done as per the pattern. So however you need it, and if you have relative distancing between any of these objects, you can create the sketch pattern. So this is how it works, and that's how sketch pattern is done. If you have any doubts or suggestions, you can post them in the comments. I'll look into them. Thank you guys for watching.